Sagutin natin ang tanong ni Miss Whatever. She said, "Can I ask bakit matagal kayo ikinasal? Maybe we learn any reason why and how and then." Actually, matagal na po itong naitanong and naitanong na rin to sa amin sa Philippine Star when we had an interview. However, hindi ko siya nasagot dito. So let me answer this for you, ma'am. The reason behind is because we prioritize each other's individual growth. So, ayun na nga, story time. We never really shared our story to anyone. It's parating ako lang, tsaka si Edwardson. And then, yung mga nangyari sa buhay namin, hindi namin masyadong sinishare. We're feeling lang namin whatever challenges na pinagdadaanan namin, kami lang talaga, dalawa yung nagre-resolve. Tapos, so looking back, it was a tough time sa lahat naman sa nangyayari sa mga nagbe-break up. So, ngayon nga, I only have lakas ng loob, shallow, and few things when I left the house. And I have to move back sa parents ko in Quezon City kasi I don't have anywhere to go. So, during that time, alam niyo na hirap, I got zero money in the bank and wala pa akong kasama sa bahay. So, ako lahat ang nag-aalaga kay Shello and it was really tough because she was 2 years old, very dependent. Tapos yun nga, daming kailangan milk, diapers, and all that. And as a struggling single mom, recovering from a breakup. So emotionally, hindi pa ako okay, ganyan. Tapos, hirap na hirap ako sa opisina. Hindi ako makapag-concentrate. Yun. So, during those times, buti na lang nandun din si Edwardson. He was already helping me. Pag, nagkukusa siya, nagpapadala ng diapers, ng gatas, yan. So, even before, talagang, ko na siya, knight in shining armor, ganon. So, anyway, going back, ayun, so I have to work on myself, make sure na I will provide, a good future for my daughter, knowing na ako na lang ang sa akin siya, responsibility ko siya. So, I worked then as a call center agent, and then lumipat ako ng ibang company. Through God's grace, umayos naman, promote ako, mataas yung sales ko, nagkakaroon ako ng commission, naging sales manager, and then eventually nag-corporate sales na ako, nagpang-umaga na ako. So, thank you kasi ang hirap sa gabi. Naka-reach ng quota, at maayos magbenta, yun nga. So, nabigyan ako ng opportunity to go abroad, to train abroad. And there was a time also na I was given job opportunities abroad. However, hindi ko siya tinanggap because kay Shello, wala na nga siyang daddy, di ba? Wala pa siyang mommy, mag-OFW pa ako. So, si Edwardson naman, during that time, we were starting, inayos niya yung papers niya para maging seaman. So, ayun, meron din siyang sariling career dream na gustong ma-achieve. Definitely, I will not get in the way. So, nag-exam siya, umaalis siya. If he has to go, he has to go. Pero, as a couple, we are very solid naman. We know kung ano yung plano ng isa't isa. It's just that our plan then was to make sure na individually we are okay because we are two very independent people. So, yun yung maganda sa amin. So, kahit wala siya, busy ako, working on myself, ganyan. And then, lalo na nung na-involve ako sa business, when a friend asked me na mag-business together, siya nagpautang sa akin, ayan, para sa kapital, nagtayo kami ng fuel station, ayun, na inaral ko. And then eventually, nung somehow I think pwede na ako magtayo ng sarili kong negosyo, nag-logistics company ako. I had my own logistics company. And then, ayun, for a while, it's doing well until such time hindi ako nabayaran. And since wala naman akong investor, ang pinapaikot ko lang kung anong pera meron ako, bagsak din ako. So, nagkanda utang-utang again. Although si Edward naman, very stable naman siya sa work niya since regular naman siya na may sakay, ganun. So, ang challenge namin lang is that we're not together. So, LDR kami. Buti na lang talaga busy ako sa sarili kong buhay. Kaya somehow, 'di ba? We get by. Hindi kasi namin napag-uusapan eh na magpakasal kasi we're okay sa sitwasyon na meron kami. And from someone na galing sa failed relationship, I think hindi naman pag hindi naman sira, 'di ba? If it's working, bakit naman pa sisirain? Pero syempre, I have thoughts na ano ba, kailan ba ako papakasalan nito? But anyway, minimal lang yun kasi okay naman kami as couple. And then, dumating ang pandemic, bagsak ulit kami. Bukod dun sa hindi ako nabayaran. Pero it was a transition kasi nag-training ako. Dun ulit kami through God's grace again. Somehow dun ako unti-unting nakabangon. Nag-supply kami ng medical supplies, office supplies, both private and government. And until today, yun pa rin yung ginagawa ko. Plus, nagdadagdag na lang ako ng other business ventures. So, siguro nung nakita ni Edwardson na okay na kami, na okay na kami ulit, nakakabawi na kami, doon na siya nag-propose. So, when that was, ano ba, ano na ba ngayon, 2024, 2021. So, yun. And then after a year and a half, yun, kinasal na kami ng February. So, basically, our partnership is that we make sure na each one of us are okay, na we are independent, we are whole as an individual, para when we get together, okay kami. Kung ano man yung mga healing na kailangan ako personally, kailangan kong pagdaanan, mag-heal ako on my own. And then siya naman, yung mga gusto niyang ma-achieve, makuha niya on his own. And then as a couple, we are very strong individual together. Kaya yung foundation namin now as a family, I can say, again, through God's grace, is solid naman. Talagang yung love journey po talaga namin inabot ng sangkatutak na patience, understanding, and faith talaga. So it was not really easy, but through God's grace, we made it through. So just be patient, and in His time, ibibigay din po yan sa inyo. Binigay niya din sa amin. So that's it.